golf is on its way back. The first pro golf match to be televised since Sawgrass in March is coming. May 17th will bring the fundraising event, which will include Rory McIlroy, Dustin Johnson, Rickie Fowler, and Matthew Wolff all teeing off to raise money for the American Nurses Foundation and CDC Foundation. In the statement, they made it clear they are following protocol, saying, quote, "The competition will follow strict CDC social distancing guidelines, local mandates, and will utilize appropriate testing measures to help protect the health and safety of the golfers, production crew, and others on site."